Hi, I'm Albert with IP Truck. Are you in need of a 26-foot box truck? If so, give us a call today. We have 8 of our 2018 International 4300s. They are all equipped with the Cummins engine, air ride, air brake. You're also going to have your 26-foot box on every single one of them. To help spread the holiday cheer, we're actually including a complimentary 3-month or 25,000 mile warranty, and that includes the powertrain and after treatment assemblies. All of the boxes, like I said, are going to be 26 foot long, 97 inches high, and 102 inches wide. They're all going to be spec'd the exact same way. The box will be constructed of fiberglass reinforced plywood. The roof is going to be translucent with 2 LED dome lights, slat line walls all the way around, and hardwood scuffboard. You're also going to have the option to add E-track for cargo control, a lift gate. As you can see, this one has a walk ramp. They all will have walk ramps, but we can customize these trucks to your exact needs. We are seeing an increase in call volume from customers needing to make last-minute purchases. So if you need to make an end-of-year purchase for Section 179, please give us a call. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.